Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 270L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 105ps high-roof van body, white, panel van mileage, 84,767 MOT, 1 February 2024 engine, 1,996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Well maintained. Wet belt, timing belt kit was fitted in July. Grin condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £10,395.